Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Lalit Singh. In this video we're gonna see how we can build an stateless chatbot using Python and OpenAI SDK. When I'm saying stateless, it's mean like it do not remember what was the past conversation while the chat, right? It's a whenever we are making a new prompt, it's always a new. I do not have any context, right? So there are a few prerequisite. So first thing, basically you have to create one OpenAI account. Then you have to create an API key and make some payment like you haven't done before. You can watch my previous video. Then basically you have to also install Python in local. Then you have to also install OpenAI uh, SDK, right? So here basically the first thing we are doing, basically importing the OpenAI SDK and this OS module, right? And the next thing, we are reading the OpenAI API key, which I set it up in my environment. And the next thing, basically I'm creating OpenAI client and passing the API key, right? Here the next thing, we have the function, which basically responsible to calling the OpenAI, and we basically take a prompt as an argument and passing to the OpenAI SDK, right? And then we are reading the response, and it's reading the response content from the response, right? There are a number of models are available. You can go to the official documentation and see, right, whatever the model best suit for you. If you wanted to try it out, you can give it a try with it, right? So you have to just simply change the name, right? Next thing, we have the here we have the while loop. It keep the chatbot running until you type exit or quit, right? So without delay, let's give it a try. Okay, so hi, can you tell me about India? Okay, now we get the response, right? So let's ask a follow-up question in 2 lines, right? It do not know, like I'm talking about the India because it's a stateless, right? So that's how it's work basically. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Here we seen like how we can make a simple stateless chatbot using Python and OpenAI. Thank you so much.